kids, let's learn numbers. Come, let's go. Number 1. Count with me. 1. Look, the red car is driving happily. Beep, beep. Number 2. Count with me. 1, 2. Look, 2 blue cars are driving side by side. Beep, beep. Number 3. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. Wow, 3 yellow cars are racing fast. Vroom, vroom. Number 4. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look, 4 green cars are crossing the rainbow bridge. Number 5. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, 5 orange cars are dancing in a circle. Beep, beep. Number 6. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look, 6 purple cars are waving their little flags. Hooray! Number 7. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wow! 7 colorful cars are climbing up the hill. Number 8. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look! 8 happy cars are spinning round and round. Number 9. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wow! 9 colorful cars are driving on the flower road. Number 10. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look, 10 colorful cars are having a parade. Beep, beep. Hi, kids. It's time to revise our numbers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hoo-hoo! You did it! Great job!